Hey YouTubers, just a little update I suppose. Yes, the panel display is working fine, but yes, now that the sun's in a different position than a couple of months ago, then they're not as high I suppose, but that's still alright, it's still charging. Current battery voltage on the battery itself is 11.8 or thereabouts on the meter before, but yeah, I mean that's obviously the power in, and over here that is the power out, and that's the battery so far, and eventually all this will be cleaned up, neatened up when the battery's fully built. And yeah, still having trouble with the software, haven't got back to it. I'm waiting on a cable, slightly different cable, and see how that goes. Alright tubers,
you can use it on seed or in farrow.
see you on the next one.
It provides highly effective control of smoke diseases.